Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own pizza pockets. So you're going to need Pillsbury pizza crust, you're going to need tomato sauce, you're going to need mozzarella cheese, and if you like you can add some pepperoni, and then you're going to need a tablespoon, a fork, a pizza cutter, and then you're going to need a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to take our pizza crust and we're going to lay it out flat on our cookie sheet. So I have my pizza dough out on my cookie sheet, and then I'm going to use my pizza cutter, which you might want to ask an adult to help you with this part, and you're going to cut it into 6 squares. So now I have my 6 squares ready to go, and now I'm going to take my tomato sauce. I'm going to put some sauce on 1/2 of each square of dough. So I'm going to be putting it on half of it, and it's going to be on the triangular half on a diagonal. So now I have the sauce on my pizza pockets, and now I'm going to take my mozzarella cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the sauce. Next, I'm going to add 2 slices of pepperoni to my pizza pockets. If you don't like pepperoni, you just can leave these off. So now I have the pepperoni on, and I'm going to carefully take the corner that doesn't have any of my toppings on it, and I'm going to fold it and connect it to the opposite corner. And I'm going to just gently separate these apart. And so then I have them folded and ready to go, and I'm going to take a fork and I'm just going to press the edges to seal up my pizza pockets. And I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 10 to 13 minutes until they are a nice golden brown.